Hello and welcome dear viewers to the informative topic on literature search for dissolution method. Whenever you want to develop a dissolution method, whenever you are going to start working onto the dissolution method for the formulation, that time the first step is to do the literature search, and this literature search is done to understand whether there is any dissolution method parameters and dissolution conditions available already in the literature. But many of the professionals find this difficult from where I can get the dissolution method. So in literature search, first you have to know your product and the product strength. What is your product? What type of API it is, and whether it is a whether it is a immediate release, extended release, delayed release formulation, and what is the BCS class of your active substance. And then start searching for the dissolution method. So first step is to start with the monograph search. You search the monograph which may be available in the pharmacopoeias like USP, British Pharmacopoeia, Japanese Pharmacopoeia, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and the country specific pharmacopoeias. So you can get the understanding whether there is a monograph available for the product or not. Many of the times the product monograph is available in one of the pharmacopoeia, but it is not available in the other one. Also USP forum is there. In that you can find some of the information. Whenever the literature search is being done, that time whether you are working on a combination product or you are working on extended release type of product or delayed release type of product, you should search all the dissolution methods, whether it is for single product, though you are working onto the combination product, whether the method is for IR formulation and you are working onto the extended release formulation or prolonged release formulation. Also search for the product with different design and different formulation type. So you will have some information and literature base to start working onto the dissolution, and that method will guide you for the further research. Then one of the important uh, database is there apart from the pharmacopoeia, and that is called as OGD database or OGD media. This is from the US Food and Drug Administration. It is commonly known as dissolution method database. If you go there and search, then you can find dissolution methods available for many of the formulations. And the meaning of dissolution method available is like you can find the apparatus type, RPM, or speed, which medium is used for the dissolution testing, what are the time points, and what is the volume. So here I have included an example of rabeprazole sodium capsule and the tablet. So this you can take and you can start working onto the dissolution method development. Then here you can also find that the dissolution method is required to be developed as per the guideline from US FDA in year 2018. So if that is written, that means you have to develop a new method, and that time you consider the other literature if you get. Otherwise, start working onto the dissolution method based on your formulation type, BCS class of API, and the solubility parameters. Then another one is biopharmaceutics review of NDA. So in US market, you can find the product if it is approved in the US market. Then biopharmaceutics review you can get from the drugs at FDA site, and in that reviews you can find the dissolution method used by the reference product manufacturer. Many of the time it can help you to understand the dissolution method parameters and the medias. So this is a literature search from the biopharmaceutics review of the innovator formulation or reference formulation which is already approved in the United States. Then another one is the dissolution discussion group. So dissolutiontechnologies.com you can search, or you can search the DDG group, and in this you can find the question and answers regarding the dissolution method of specific product. So you have to search a little bit and then you can find some of the information. So then comes to the patents and research papers. So many of the time the dissolution parameters and dissolution media apparatus, this information can be given into the patents, so that patent you can refer for the innovator formulation or any other patent which is related to those formulations and the APIs. Also you can search the research papers from the specific ways, or like Science Direct is there. So these are the standard literature available in the form of research papers, review articles, and some of the times you can find the dissolution method used by the formulator as given in the patient information leaflet, because many of the times if the US pharmacopoeia contain number of dissolution methods, that time the PIL of the reference formulation can give you good information about the dissolution method used for that specific product. So this is regarding the ways, or this is regarding the information for dissolution method. These type of information you can take, you can write it down, and you can start working on those methods. If you find these dissolution methods and parameters suitable, then you can go ahead. Otherwise, treat this information as a starting point for the dissolution method development. So this is a short video, and I tried to convey you the ways from where you can have the dissolution method. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any comment, please write me and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Pharma Learning in Depth channel.